Good morning, students. I welcome you all once again in my online lectures. Today we are going to start grammar section. In our previous video, we have learned about though, although and even though. And today we are going to learn about how to make it affirmative and how to make it negative. So listen carefully all the rules and forms for making affirmative and negative. Write down all the notes and make practice of given exercise. Now at first listen the rules for affirmative. The first rule, don't change the meaning. Second rule, remove the words like no, not, none, nor, neither, no one, nobody, never, nothing, etc. Means you have to remove these all words from for making the affirmative. Next rule, add opposite adjective or word. You have to use opposite word. Rules for negative sentences. Don't change the meaning. Add words like no, none, not, never, nor, nothing, neither, no one, nobody. Third rule, use opposite words or adjective. Now, some useful words are given here while making affirmative and negative. These are some particular words while used to make affirmative and negative. So, listen carefully and learn these words here. First one, fail to यूज डू नॉट, फेल्स टू डझंट. म्हणजे जर का तुमच्या वाक्यामध्ये अफर्मेटिव्हच्या वाक्यामध्ये फेल टू असेल आणि निगेटिव्ह करताना मला डू नॉट वापरायचं आहे. अफर्मेटिव्हच्या वाक्यामध्ये फेल्स टू असेल ॲट दॅट टाईम यू हॅव टू यूज डझंट फॉर मेकिंग निगेटिव्ह. इन दिस वे सम अपोजिट वर्ड्स आर गिवन हिअर. सी हिअर, फेल्ड टू, डिड नॉट, ॲज वेल ॲज, नॉट ओनली बट ऑल्सो, सून प्रेझेंटली, नॉट लॉंग बिफोर, अनलेस, इफ नॉट, unable, cannot, could not, a few, not many, hardly anybody, nobody, none, no one, hardly anything, nothing, hardly ever, never, without, no, only, nothing but, nobody but, any other, no other, as soon as, no sooner than, hardly any, no. So in this way, these are some words we have to use while making affirmative to negative and negative to affirmative. Now see the examples of affirmative and negative. The first example is given here, students. You have to write all these examples in your notebook and make practice of other examples. You have to find extra 10 examples of each one. Means 10 examples for affirmative sentences and 10 examples for negative sentences. You have to write down these 20 extra examples in your notebook. The first one, he did not understand. Answer, he failed to understand. Did, it is the past tense, and for this past tense we have used here failed to. Second sentence, she cannot get good marks. Answer, she is unable to get good marks. We have used unable except otherwise in the place of cannot here. Third example, the inspector had no child. Answer, the inspector had without child. Next one, 4 number, Gopal reads nobody but novels. Answer, Gopal reads only novel. 5th number, Radha was not satisfied. Answer, Radha was not unsatisfied. 6th number sentence, they have not many friends. Answer, they have a few friends. 7 number, they can see nothing. Answer, they can see hardly anything. 8 number, they are not very happy. Answer, they are sad. 9 number, the situation was dangerous. Answer, the situation was not safe. 10 number, sorry students, by mistakenly here one word is remaining. I am going to write here. They came, see the answer, the sentence is they came, answer is they didn't go. So in this way, these are the sentences you have to write in your notebook. See the next example. Everyone was unhappy. Answer is no one was happy. Here it is negative sentence. Second 12 number example. I walk slow. Answer, I don't walk fast. 13 number example. Rich man. Sorry, again by mistakenly here sentence is remaining. He is a rich man. The sentence will be here. He is a rich man. Answer is he is not poor man. 13 number sentence I am going to explain once again. He is a rich man. Students, by mistakenly here these words are remaining to type here. So please adjust here and write proper sentence. He is a rich man. This is the question of 13 number. And answer is he is not poor man. 14 number. It is unbelievable. Answer, it is not believable. 15 number. He is unable to see. Answer, he is not able to see. In this way we have seen the sentences of affirmative and negative. Students, you have to write all these questions and answers in your notebook. You have to make extra examples of affirmative and extra examples of negative. Thank you very much. Students, thank you very much once again. Next, I am going to start the next video for 12th Science A students. I think all of you remember change the voice, half part is remaining. विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, तर लक्ष द्या इकडं व्यवस्थित. 12वी ए 12th स्टँडर्ड स्टुडंट्स ए डिव्हिजन ए स्टुडंट्स रिमेनिंग दॅट रिमेंबर दॅट चेंज द व्हॉइस रिमेनिंग पार्ट I am going to be teach here. Means we have seen according to the tenses how to change the voice, and the short part is remaining, that is according to the sentences. Means for imperative sentences what is the rule for change the voice, and for 12th science A students this is one of the remaining part for you. So see, for imperative sentences form here let plus O means object plus be plus past participle, that is the PP. So see, let O be PP. This is the form for making the change the voice of imperative sentences. So let us see the examples. Hang him. The answer will be here. Let him be hanged. Let O means him, be and hanged PP. In this way, this is the answer. Second number, give the order. Let the order be given. Third number, show your tickets. Answer, let your tickets be shown. Fourth number, don't sing a song. Answer, let a song not be sing. Fifth number, stop the music. Answer, let the music be stopped. See, the second rule for the imperative sentences, when the object is not in the sentences, at that time use you are requested to at the starting of the sentence. See the examples of this type. First number, go there. Answer, you are requested to go there. Means you have to copy the given sentence and add you are requested to at the starting of the sentence. Whenever object is not presented in the sentence, at that time only you have to use you are requested to for imperative sentences. See the second example, come here, you are requested to come here. Third example, stand there. Answer, you are requested to stand there. Fourth number, put here. Answer, you are requested to put here. In this way, 12th standard A students, you have to complete the remaining notes for change the voice, and also you have to write affirmative and negative sentences notes here. 12th standard B division students, you have to make revision of this topic here. Thank you very much.